In the video for today, I'm going to show you 2 methods to unban your business Instagram account. If you are a person who has been using Instagram the proper way, you haven't been spamming or scamming online, I'm very sorry that you are here. You're trying to see how you could unban your account. I do get it because I have an Instagram page. I used to post and I used to expect business, but one fine day my page was banned and then I had a problem. I do get it how you feel, but let's try and see how we could appeal and try and get our Instagram business pages unbanned. The first method to unban is by simply following on-screen instructions after you log into your account. So if you're logging into your Instagram account on the application or on your desktop, as soon as you log in, you are going to get a prompt to maybe contact Instagram or appeal the decision of your account being banned or whatever. Click on that link and follow on-screen instructions. And once you submit an appeal, within 3 to 4 working days, you should get a response. If you do not get a response, then you go ahead and follow this second method. Do a Google search for "My Instagram account has been disabled." Click on the first suggestion. Here, you're going to get a suggestion on how you could regain access and stuff like that. This is basically for your account being disabled by mistake and all these things. I get it. But what you need to do here is... But my main intention here is to show you how you could get in touch with customer support directly. So you see a feedback box out here. Was this helpful? Just select no. And then select the second option. The solution doesn't work. Click on select. Put in your message out here. Put in your ID, your email address and everything and tell them that your account was disabled by mistake or whatever. You haven't done anything wrong. So please go ahead and enable your account. And tell them by default that if you did anything wrong, to give you a one-time exception and forgive you. Going further, you're not going to repeat whatever they think you did. Just appeal through this feedback box. After you put in your message, click on submit and then you should get a response within 3 to 4 working days. Now, if you're not getting a response still from these guys, what you could also do is try and get in touch with Meta support. Okay, so do a search for Meta Business Support. And once you do that, you're going to get a lot of suggestions out here. Meta Business Help Center. Once you click on that, you're going to be directed to Business Help Center for Meta. You scroll down a bit and then you click on this link under Get Help. Okay, you click on Get Support and then you put in your asset ID and give other details out here to get support. So an asset ID is basically a unique number that is specific to your Instagram page or your Facebook page or whatever it is. You are going to see it in your profile section. But obviously, if your business Instagram account is blocked or banned, how could you even, get that ID out? What you could do is just use the Meta Business application. Just type Meta Business app. Just do a search and then you're going to get a suggestion to download the application, or you could use the website. So I find the website more convenient and log into your account. Okay, with the same email address and click on settings. Then you click on Instagram accounts. You're going to see the ID out here. Okay, you could just copy the ID. If this was the ban page, also you're going to see the account is banned, but you are going to get the ID out here. Okay, you could just copy this ID and you could paste it out here. Click on next. Then you could follow on-screen instructions. I'm very much sure the AI for Meta is going to help you through the process. Just follow the instructions, fill up the form, and you could appeal out here. This is one method. Now, after you submit this, if you're not getting any response, the final method that I would suggest as a bonus is to connect with them on their page with Facebook. So you get onto Facebook, do a search for Instagram. Click on Instagram for Business, get onto their page. Then you have an option to message them directly. Click on that option to message Instagram for Business and start chatting with them out here. Telling them that my account was banned for no reason, this, that. Utilize this method only if the other 3 methods fail. All right. If you got some value, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.